Hello everyone, welcome back to RP Innovation. In today's video, we are going to solve one of the practical interview question. This question is very important during the interview, and this question is asked one of our subscriber. That is, he is asking how to get second highest value in given string, and string is like 147,910. So let's try to resolve this question, and this question is very useful and very important during the interview, guys. So let's try to resolve this question. So first of all, for that, I'm going to create one list variable to keep our list value in that. So keep one list variable. Give name and add our values 1, 4, 7, 9, and 10. I hope this 1, 4, 7, 9, 10. Yeah. So create one list variable. We have created our list. Then next step is uh, we have to create two blank variable to store our max and second max also. So under the number package, take one assign action and default value will be 0. Give your name. Now max. This variable will store max number and create one another variable for storing the variable of second max. So, second max. And take one loop action. We are going to use loop for this question. You can use ascending, disascending order. We can use also, but I have created a list variable. That's why I am going to use here loop condition. So give our list variable here. This is our list variable, and create one in list item. It will take one by one list variable, and inside of loop we are going to add our validations or conditions. So if select number condition, if we are going to give here, if max number, if list item is greater than our max number. Max number. If it is greater than to max number, then we are going to store this variable here. And here we are going to use, I think max number. Max number to second max. Yeah, right. We need to assign here max number to second max, and one more variable. Here list item to max, and create one is else condition, and here again take number condition and add validations here for if list item is greater than to second max, then assign list item to second max. right? So we are done with our code. Let's type on message box to see our output. This is for max number and give here our max number variable. Now max, it need to convert to string. To string. Second max, variable. String. Save and try to run our bot. It should give the expected output. Here you can see our max number is 10 and second max will be 9. So you can see here bot is able to give expected output. So using this condition, you can resolve this question. If you want to change our variable list, then you can try. So you can, we are going to change our list numbers to test our what is working or not for second list number. So I'm going to do here 17. So your max number will be 17 and second max will be 10. So we have edited our list variable and try to run. So in this time our max number will be 17 and second max will be 10. So let's see, you can see what is able to give the expected output. So you can see guys, using this type of logic, you can solve this type of question, or you can create a, you just need to create a daily practice, or you should spend some of time for the automation anywhere. Then you will easily get to know small knowledge or hands-on also. So I hope this video is found very useful for you. If you want to get this type of question more and more, so please like, share and subscribe our RP Automation channel.